want to give this brief review on my Pittsburgh 3-ton floor jack with the jack stands. It is an aluminum setup, and you could get these at Harbor Freight. It is a rapid pump jack, and I've had it for about 2 years. I absolutely love it. When I'm not using it, I store it on the wall, so I remove the two-piece handle, and I go ahead and, that's the way I like to store it for space saving. Now, the unit is, like I said, it's got the rapid pump, which is nice, so you could, go ahead and lift it up right away. It is part number 64544, and they also have 64834. Now, its maximum height is 19 1/8 of an inch, 3 tons, and the lowest minimum is 3 3/4 inch. So that's pretty nice. It goes pretty low. It is not the most profile jack out there. I did have a metal one, but it was too heavy. It was a little bit lower. They don't make it anymore. I sold it. And this one here, it does exactly what I intended it to do for my SUV, for my cars. I did buy a sports car. I did buy a Corvette afterwards, and it is a little bit. It's not low enough. I know that they have the Daytona ones that are a little bit lower, but they're way bigger and way heavier. So I still want to put my jack on the wall. So with that said, I love also the jack stands. They're also 3-ton, and they do handle very well. So the only thing that the jack I have replaced is the actual this little rubber piece right here, which after 2 years, the one that I had disintegrated, which is very thin, and they normally break anyway. But I found that one that fits perfectly on the Pittsburgh jack, and it is a lot thicker. Very nice. I like that. So let me show you. So this piece here is thicker. It comes for the frame rails, and I love it. So we do have 2 cars that requires some kind of frame rail jack, and this is actually perfect. So it has a dual purpose. Now I love the handles on the side, and one of the things that I did was I greased all the little axles, all the points of movement, and to make it a little bit more quiet. It doesn't come with grease in some of the like the axles and things like that, so no big deal. But just wanted to make it a little bit more quiet. So it does have a 2-piece handle that you can just press the button. It does have a nice foam here to protect your bumper, and easily removable right here by putting removing the edges. So that's why I like about it, so I can store it, and it works pretty good for me. It rolls nice. Obviously it's on carpet right now, so it's nice and quiet. All right, so on the jack stands here, these are 3-ton, same thing, Pittsburgh. Part number is 56357. You could get the little rubber boot for the top at Harbor Freight. I ordered them online. I ordered 2 sets, that they actually come for the frame rail. So I'm still waiting on that. And, they do have the safety handle right here, which is pretty nice. So when you're going to put them down, you just got to pull that lever and you're good to go. So very nice to have, a little bit of extra real estate right here on the bottom for support. So very nice for your floor, so it doesn't destroy the floors. There's some jacks out there, especially the metal ones. If they don't have like a little flat section here, they will eat up into your driveway or your concrete. So at least these have just a little bit here. So I wish they would actually have a little platform, but you can't always get what you want. But other than that, I love the set. It's worked really nice. It works great on my SUV and on my car. So I do have a Corvette, which I bought after the jack, and this one is not low enough. Now I know Daytona ones are nice and big. They're way heavier. They have a lower profile. They basically have this here pushed back, so this lower section here extends out more. So you have a lower area right here, so you could push the jack in a little bit more. So in the case of the Corvette, it kind of right here, it hits this on the sides when you have to jack it up by the side. The rear I'm fine, because the rear I could, it fits perfectly, but the sides and the front is just impossible. If you want to get the extended warranty, it wouldn't be a bad idea. So I think you have a year plus the 3 months, or 2 years plus the 3 months. So not bad at all. Give it a whack, you won't be disappointed. pumps, 3 pumps, 4 pumps. Very nice. Go ahead and lift it up, and you're good to go. And then to release it, all you have to do is turn. You know, all you gotta do is turn this to the left, and you can slowly lower your car. So, other than that, guys, it was nice. And that's it. All right. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and follow. Go out and buy one of these and enjoy it.